Hello, I am Maria Lopez from ABM 11-2B of Luis Palad Integrated High School. Today, I will teaching you how to make an TARPAPEL using Microsoft Excel. Let's begin. Okay, first go to Microsoft Excel. Then, click the page layout. Okay. Page layout. Then, orientation. You can choose whatever you want, portrait or landscape, but I prefer to use landscape. After that, click the size and make it A4. But you can choose also whatever sizes you want. Then insert. Oh wait. Just click zoom out at the right left corner of your computer. Then insert picture. Let's find some picture. Okay. Insert it. Then drag it. After dragging it, you can now print it. Okay, after that, that's all. Preview. Okay, that's all for today. So, thank you for watching this tutorial and I hope you learned something new about making a TARPAPEL using Microsoft Excel. That's all. Thank you.